Keep on trying to get Messi on front of the 7.5k ones. He's the best one.
But yeah. Hey guys, how's it going? Today's video, I am going to be doing a pack opening. Look how much FIFA points I've got. 1,050. 1,050.
Which you only get in 9 packs.
Yeah, 9 packs, a lot.
I'm spectating.
Right. Trying to get Messi on the pack. Because apparently that's a good one.
I recommended it.
Yep.
If you don't know who I am, I'm Double H.
Oh, I just got in then. Oh, there he is. Right, 3, 2, 1. Wait, Harry wants to see the first pack. 3, 2, 1, go. 3 points. Yes.
Don't skip it, don't skip it.
No, I'm not.
It does that little card animation.
Oh no.
He might sell for a bit, just store everyone so you get the contract.
Oh yeah.
I stored everything.
Have you? Another Messi on the pack. Right.
Hey, it says I'm online.
Oh! Ooh. Oh no, Rami. I got him already in a pack.
Who?
This guy called Rami. Right. Go back. Quick, sell him.
Messi!
Right, I've got Lacazette on the pack. Lacazette. Come on. Nice. Nice pack. Nice pack. Oh, Begovic.
See how much he sell for. He might sell for it.
Yeah, he's 82 rated. That might go for quite a lot at the beginning of FIFA.
Start 2 days in.
10k? 10k?
Yay, 10k!
About 15k I'm going to put him up for by now.
Oh, yep.
About 14k. Done, sell instantly for that. I think that's probably like one of the cheapest.
Decent, that's decent. I'm gonna get my ones.
A bit of 10k. Right. Submit. Yes. And then, yeah, just... Oh, my dog is barking. Oh, Messi on the pack. Messi. I've got 600 FIFA points left.
Ah, there we go. I got my FIFA points for enough. Woohoo!
Oh, no. Ah.
If I wanted to, I could spend all my money and get 4,600 FIFA points, but I'm not that person.
Yeah, you don't roll sure, like Cow Pringles or something like that.
No, because I'm happy. I'm back in a minute.
Oh! He might be able to go for quite a lot. How much is this guy going for? 92 pace. Pretty nice. Oh! Nice! About, selling for about 3k. That'll be pretty decent. How about that?
Anyone else decent?
Yeah, I got a guy that goes for like 3k.
That's okay.
Yeah, it's alright. Start a FIFA.
I might tell my team and make a West Ham team because, you know, it's all about the West Ham. Being Man City.
Messi on the pack. I bet Messi packs are terrible though. You're just saying that.
Oh, actually, my dad said it.
Boosh, 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 boosh. 81 rated, 84 diving. He's gonna go for a lot.
I brought this person for
500
700
coins.
coins.
500 coins.
I brought this person for 700 coins a few days yesterday, and someone's bidding 2.1k for him. I'm just putting him up for 2.1k. I'm telling my whole team and you want to make a West Ham team because, you know, I love West Ham.
That's nice. I'm gonna go back to him. Put him up.
You can just go up. And just put random people up now. Can stay still. All 350. I'll have a quick sale price on some.
How do you get these up? How do you get these on your team? Oh, redeem item. I am so dumb.
Have you got any draft tokens yet?
No, I don't think so. I haven't really been looking at the back.
My FIFA points.
Oh, nice. About 1k I can sell him for.
Help me, Charlie. Help me.
I was selling for about 1.8k. Might
How
go.
much stuff how many points do you have there?
150.
One more pack then.
Yeah. What does this guy go for? Let's have a look. Not much.
Well, packing the West Ham players, they're going to try my team because look at you.
Oh, don't. Mill are the best, aren't they, guys? Yes, they are.
We're friends, but West Ham and Mill are like biggest rivals.
Yeah.
Kiss the badge. Kiss it.
No, I don't want to.
You have to.
Oh, that is disgusting. Don't want to look at it. Oh, no.
But you don't want to look at this castle. Look at that castle. It's a chess piece. It looks like a chess piece. Look.
It does actually. Yeah, see, castles at 91 pace, you might go for a lot. About 1k or something for.
Let's see the power of the Malwows.
Any? No, but then.
Look at that. Look at that person.
But all my FIFA points have gone. So that is it for today, guys. If you have enjoyed the video, make sure to smash that like button.